Clarification. We may interrupt you in the course of you making your presentation, but just feel it's a conversation.
It is important to state that it is said that there is corruption in the administrative arm and that there is corruption in the judicial arm. As regards the administrative arm, it is very important to carry out a study of our systems and to try and understand where the loopholes that facilitate the perpetration of corruption are.
I'm going to request you to introduce yourself briefly and to tell us what experience you have that prepares you for the role of a Deputy Chief Justice.
Thank you, Madam Chair, Honorable Commissioners. My name is Hannah Okwengu, a judge of the Court of Appeal. It has been difficult. I have actually gone round many courts, and in some courts, the conditions are pathetic. So there is need actually to look at how the magistrates are working and to bring them to that desired level where they can also feel that they are part of the judiciary. I think that is necessary.